Hey. Quick, simple little project. We took the shutters off the house. As you saw, they're pretty dirty, nasty, grody, and we're going to paint those. We're going to paint those a charcoal color, and it just happens to be the same color as the shed that we painted last fall. But the shed, you can see some of the lumber has shrunk a little bit, and we've got some unprotected areas. So while we're painting, we're gonna use the sprayer. So while I'm painting, I'm just gonna spray the front of this shed. Which Angel is up in the front yard, power washing the shutters, and we're gonna get everything set up. And we got to go get some paint. But when we get back, we're gonna spray everything, and we should be good to go. How's it going out here, Shug?
It's going. You got gross.
Hey, watch your language.
Oops, sorry.
I didn't put much paint in there, but it's probably going to run out. Sure beats using a roller, hey?
They look so good.
No worries. do you think?
I love
Let's
it.
look from the street.
So good.
All right, that pretty much takes care of it for today. We did the shutters, and I think for the most part they look pretty good. We also took care of the shed, gave the front of that a little spruce up that had taken a little bit of a beating, and I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.